Man is born free, but everywhere he is in chains. Jean-Jacques Rousseau. In this quote, Rousseau explains that although we may be granted freedom, many things hold us back, including people, physical objects, or even memories. This was the case for my father, Agustin Aguilera, whose past was a chain that held him back, preventing him from moving towards a brighter future. Growing up in a ranch in Guanajuato, Mexico was hard. Now, adding a family of 11 while he was the youngest made things even more difficult. Limited supplies, no money, and many mouths to feed prevented him from receiving a proper education, especially since he had to work at any job available at a young age in order to contribute money towards his home. This resulted in him growing up fast and becoming independent at the young age of 12, no longer relying on his parents. Economic instability was the main concern in his humble home. Constant laborious work overtook his mind and body, leaving health issues the least of his worries. This was a terrible mistake, which he constantly regrets to this day. Surrounded by illness, he grew up having an extremely sensitive body, easy to bruise and bleed. Unable to afford a doctor, he was forced to stay home various months, leaving him today with a feeling of queasiness at the sight of blood. Unfortunately, things only escalated and got worse, as his parents' life began to diminish by the terminal cancer overtaking their bodies, discovered earlier that year. Sadly, his mother passed away as he neared his upcoming 13th birthday, his father following close behind. These dark events pushed him towards a state of sorrow and depression, deriving him from the happy childhood he aspired to have. It was the darkest time of my life. I felt so alone, so vulnerable, he says. These painful memories constantly haunt my father. However, it also shaped him into becoming the strong, caring individual he is today. Using the sad memories as a backbone to his brighter dreams of the future, he allowed himself to break the chains of painful memories in order to gain a new sense of courage, strength, and view on life, and hopefully start a better lifestyle for him and his family.